Hi, my name is Shelby Pitts, and I signed up for this because truthfully, it's really the only one I have seen in which we had true medical professionals that were doing this in a dermatology setting and not in a hotel banquet hall, which has always made me uncomfortable. I felt that I had a lot to know, but I wanted to know it from the best. And truthfully, I felt that this was the perfect place to do that. I'll say after this weekend, I feel like I chose wisely. There was a ton of information to know, but each one of the instructors and the doctors were amazing. Like they walked you through everything, tricks of the trade, things to be aware of, how to do this well from the business aspect to the different types of things you can offer. And overall, the information was so helpful. It was amazing. And I think my aha in the entire weekend was this is something that it's very realistic to implement and do, and also how to start this reasonably. And so sometimes I think we go big scale and we want to do all the things at once. And I think this helped me really narrow in my mind, where do I start? How do I do this? And what things do I need to start working on immediately versus maybe in 3 to 5 years or whenever that turns into something different. Um, the real change for me is I feel now more confident that this is something I'm going to be able to do. I think that before it was a great idea, but I just kind of felt overwhelmed and I didn't know how to move forward and I wasn't really well versed in the industry and how things went. But I feel like now there's still so much to learn, but I have a handle on it. So I would say to anyone who's thinking about this course, every penny is worth it. Do it because this gives you not only the confidence to move forward, but they train you appropriately. They had good trainers, good information. They understand not only the business side and the anatomy side, but they understand things that have worked and not worked. So I would say you're not going to be disappointed. It was an amazing weekend. I think that it was very beneficial and something that no one's going to walk out of there regretting.